Children, we will study first type of simple permanent tissue, and that is parenchyma. These are basic packing tissue which forms the bulk of plant body and are present in all part. That is, they are present in root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit and seed. They are thin-walled, living cells. These are packed loosely, having a lot of intercellular space between them. As you saw, there is a space is present between them. So, lots of intercellular space present between them. The cell are isodiametric, or you can say the cell of parenchyma are round or isodiametric. Isodiametric means that they are equally expanded on all sides. The parenchymatous cells are oval, round, polygonal or elongated in shape. The cell wall is thin and enclosed a dense cytoplasm which contain a small nucleus and surround a large central vacuole. Okay, and as I've already told, they are widely distributed in plant body such as stem, root, leaf, flower and fruit. Thus, you can say that parenchyma tissue is found in the soft part of plant, that is in ground tissue, in stem and mesophyll of leaf. The main function of parenchyma is the storage of food like starch in potato, storage of waste material like gums. That is, the framework of all the plant organ is formed by parenchyma. Sometimes these parenchyma also contain chlorophyll, or in parenchyma chlorophyll is present, and then this parenchyma perform the function of photosynthesis, and there they called as chlorenchyma. And sometime in aquatic plant, the parenchyma will provide buoyancy to the plant, means they form a sac like structure which is filled with air, so they help in aquatic plant to float, and there the parenchyma is known as aerenchyma. So these are the two specialized function of parenchyma, that is aerenchyma and chlorenchyma. Now children, the second type of simple permanent tissue is collenchyma. Collen is taken from a Greek word that is kolla, that is Kolla, that means glue. These tissue are also consist of living cell. It shows many features of parenchyma, but is characterized by a deposition of extracellular or extracellulose at the corner of cell. In collenchyma, intercellular space are generally absent. Collenchyma cells are elongated in shape. They often contain a few chloroplasts. These are found below the epidermis of dicot stem and petiole of leaf. These cells also occur in the midrib of dicot leaf. Collenchyma is absent in monocot stem, root and leaf. The function of collenchyma is to provide mechanical support to the plant. They are elastic. So they provide tensile strength with flexibility to those organs in which it is found. It allows easy bending in various parts of a plant like leaf and stem without actually breaking it. When cell of collenchyma contains some chloroplast, they manufacture sugar and starch. So these are the function of collenchyma.